And with that note, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Brandon back again for another video. We got Tyson here today, and we're gonna give this Jetta over here some love. So you guys haven't really seen it yet with the wheels and everything on it, so I'm gonna do my best to not show you the wheels, so that's why the car's aired up. But anyways, I'm gonna let Tyson kind of pretty much take over and kind of record his process, give him a hand when I can, and yeah, let's get. So you can see with this bucket here, he has a dirt trap so that all the dirt and stuff sinks to the bottom of the bucket and doesn't keep getting recontaminated and onto your paint.
Two ounces of soap.
2 ounces of soap.
We do 2 buckets. 2 bucket method. One is for rinsing, so that one's gonna be filled with water. Then one is for the soap and the actual mix. So every time you do a pass with your mitt, you're gonna go into the rinse bucket, rinse it out to get all the dirt out of it, and then you're gonna put it into your clean bucket so you don't come out with really dirty, nasty soap.
Alright, so after you wash it, then you're going to want to do clay barring, but there's kind of a certain process to do it the right way, so I'll let Tyson tell you how to do it.
Alright, so when we're clay barring, you're going to want to use some sort of clay lube. I use Quick Detailer. You could either use a clay lube or a Quick Detailer, either or works. And what it's essentially doing is cleaning the paint. Taking any imperfections that are on the top coat, it's going to pull them right off and onto the clay bar. As you can see, that is all just from the door, and I'm not even done yet. It's just taking everything off. It's pretty much like a magic eraser for your paint.
In other news, I told you guys in my last video doing the E-codes that we would hook up those city lights. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what they look like. Because, I mean, if I was you, I'd want to know what they look like. Alright, let's see. Damn, look at them freaking city lights, boy.
First step, I use a scratch and swirl remover. It's a hybrid polish and a compound. It's pretty much a one-step process. That way it cuts down the time I'm doing this.
Kind of get an idea what we got going on. Before there was just watermarks all over this car. Now you can see the light. And if you look at the roof, you can see the reflection of the rail. So that was just completely non-existent before. This was like a flat eggshell color.
Getting ready to seal it, and pretty much after that we're gonna wax it and call it a night. I'm trying to decide on what I want to use. I got white light here and jet seal. This is a hybrid sealant, and it also it's meant for white paint. and it's traditionally for white paint that has flake in it. That way it pulls all the metallic out of the paint and just brings it to surface. But it's also got a sealant in it as well, and it'll make the white paint pop a little bit more. So I'm just deciding on which one I want to use on it. So
What's the other one that you have?
Jet Seal. This is a straight up sealant. It's up to 12 months of protection, and it's really good shit. It's what I use on my car and everything. So.
Alright guys, so it is literally like 2 a.m. So what time we started? Like 7 o'clock?
Around there, 7.
So from 7 to 2 a.m. But we did eat and we bullshitted a lot. But the car is done. It looks fucking ridiculous. Does not look like it's from the 90s at all. So I figured I'd show you guys